So this is the Siglent SDS2000 series oscilloscope. This subseries is part of the larger super phosphor oscilloscope series, or SPO series. The maximum bandwidth is 300 megahertz, and sampling rate goes up to 2 gig samples per second. This model's bandwidth is 100 megahertz. So over here, we have the SDG2000 series wave generator. Now, I just got this model. It's the SDS2102. Okay, it has a lot of good features, like deep memory storage. Okay, what are we at there? 28, okay. We're at 28 megapoints. Okay. It's got a high capture rate, and multi-level grayscale and color display. Let's show the color here. Okay, yeah, let's flip through it a little bit. There's the color display, as you can see. Okay, and it's got a lot of trigger and decoding types. Let's take a look at the trigger. Okay, pulse, video, window, okay. So quite a few trigger types there. And the decoding. Okay, so we've got 5 different decoding types. Okay. This model is also has a built-in wave generator, which can come in very handy. So we've got all those different wave types. So it's kind of a 2-in-1. So the wave generator is, I think, optional on this series, but I went for a model with the wave generator just for the convenience.